Hi guys, so another beautiful day, and of course Helsinki has come to an end, and of course I'm on my way to Estonia. Well, apparently it's not far from where I was staying, so I'm now in the cab and with this nice guy. He's the one riding me to the place, literally. So yes, we're going to Estonia now, so I'm now going to pick up the ferry and then we go to Estonia. So stay tuned, I got you covered. Yep. See, I'm in the ferry and I'm crossing to Estonia now. Charlie, you guys, like, the ferry is so big, like it's a ship, like it's a cruise, literally. I'm in a cruise right now because I thought it was something like a small boat or something, but now it's a big ship. It's a real cruise, a real cruise. So stay tuned. So we are inside the ferry now, and I must tell you guys, it's not really a boat, it's actually like a cruise ship. Basically, it's so huge, like it's really huge, and I was actually surprised when I saw it. I thought it was going to be something very little, but it wasn't something very little, it's something very big. So stay tuned, I got a lot of videos for you guys. So apparently it takes like 2.5 hours from Helsinki to Tallinn. So yes, the cruise ship is very big, as you can see. Look at the background.